That article you've had open in 12 tabs because you keep getting distracted by an ad for shoes? Chrome can turn it into a library page. One button, and the sidebar, the pop-ups, the auto-playing video, all of it disappears. Here's a normal long article. Ads on both sides, a newsletter box fighting for your eyes, related stories clutter at the bottom. Your brain is fighting the page before it even reads a word. Click the three-dot menu, go to More Tools, and choose Reading Mode. And there it is, just the words. No sidebar, no ads, no noise, like someone tore the article out of the page and handed you a clean sheet of paper. Now make it yours. Click Select Font and pick something easier on your eyes for long stretches. Lexint Deca is built specifically to reduce visual stress. Bump the font size up until you're not leaning toward the screen anymore. Switch the color theme. Light is fine, but dark or that warm yellow tone is easier on your eyes if you're reading for an hour, not a minute. Two more dials most people never touch: line height and letter spacing. Loosen both and dense paragraphs stop blurring into a wall of text. Like it? Hit Pin to Toolbar and it's one click forever. And if you don't see reading mode at all yet, go to Chrome Flags, search Read Anything, and turn it on yourself. Same trick you'd use for any hidden Chrome feature.